I feel like I'm watching that guy who changes his shoes in the morning. You know what I'm talking about? With the train. Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. Because he had like a sweater on it. The most prominent thing. Today we're going to make cheddar and broccoli rice and cheddar broccoli rice and sauce. And chicken. I need a bag. Like a... No, not that kind of bag. We're going to make 28 pieces of chicken. Except by that I mean none. First, to marinate it, you have to get a bag. Insert chicken into bag. Chicken, thaw, insert into bag. Like so. To begin, the rice and the... we shall pick a pan accordingly. Okay. In medium quart saucepan, bring 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon tub margarine, and contents of package to a boil.
Okay, dude.
Water.
Dude, you can have a dead body in here. Dude, I eat so much when I'm with you. You always have
Because I always eat.
You always have food.
I always eat all the time.
Oh, no, that's...
Rice. Probably shouldn't use metal on cooking, but that's okay.
Let's see how. Ta-da! Now I've got to pour a bunch of this crap into the bag.
And we're using this lovely teriyaki chicken.
Bless you.
Oh, one of them was, what's your favorite concert you've ever been to? I've narrowed it down to 2, but Relient K, this one time I saw them, it was like brilliant. And then Modest Mouse when I saw them in 2007.
I can't really think of one.
So we let the chicken marinate for 20 or 30 minutes. And now we have to see if the rice is boiling. Stir, reduce heat, and simmer. How about Italian seasoning? Oregano. Cleo!
Bam! Got some out smart. And black pepper.
How long were we supposed to wait for this again? 7.
Chicken.
Vegetable oil into the pan. And then a little. Is it good for you? Yeah. Yay! I went to Harry Potter premiere thingy with Angie and this girl. What else happened?
Harry Potter? Lots of attractive people.
There were a lot of attractive people. They were really, really hot. Like this chicken. Okay, bye! So that was my food. I hope you guys enjoyed it because it tasted super, super good. And Daniel, I'll see you tomorrow.